Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for staying with me on this incredible No-Honk challenge journey. So far, it's been going really well, and I truly appreciate your support and enthusiasm. Today, as we start another day of our No-Honk challenge, I thought we could mix things up a bit. Let's learn some fun facts about cars and their fascinating history. That way, we keep things interesting and educational while we drive. But before we dive into the fun facts, I have two questions for you. If you know the answers, be sure to drop them in the comments right now. Or if you prefer, you can wait until the end of the video to find out the answers. Ready? Here we go. Question 1. Do you know which was the very first car ever mass-produced in the world? And question 2. Can you guess which car holds the record for the fastest speed ever recorded? Now let's dive into some fun facts about cars. 1. Did you know the first patented car was invented way back in 1886 by Carl Benz? It was a three-wheeled motor vehicle. 2. The mass production technique pioneered by Ford with the Model T helped make cars affordable for the average family. 3. The world's longest traffic jam ever recorded stretched for over 100 miles in China. 4. Electric cars have been around since the 19th century, but they only became popular again recently with advances in battery technology. 5. The Rolls-Royce hood ornament, called the Spirit of Ecstasy, is one of the most recognizable car symbols worldwide. 6. The average car has over 30,000 parts, including nuts, bolts, and screws. 7. The windshield was invented by Mary Anderson in 1903, improving driver safety. 8. The first speeding ticket was issued in 1902 when a driver was caught going 45 miles per hour. 9 cars have inspired many famous movies, from the classic Ford Mustang in Bullitt to the DeLorean time machine in Back to the Future. 10. Some luxury cars now come with advanced AI features, including self-parking and voice-activated controls. Those are some fascinating tidbits to think about while we continue our no-honk journey. Now, circling back to the questions I asked at the start. Which was the first car ever mass-produced? And which car holds the record for the fastest speed ever recorded? Did you guess them correctly? If yes, drop a comment telling me. To reveal the answers, the first mass-produced car was the Ford Model T, introduced in 1908. And the fastest car ever recorded is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, which reached a speed of 304 miles per hour. Thanks for sticking with me and making this no-honk challenge not only peaceful but fun and informative. See you again in the next episode.